Are you ready to unlock your true potential? Welcome to the Ultimate Worksheet Bundle, your all-in-one solution for productivity and organization. Imagine having over 500 ready-made templates at your fingertips, designed to streamline your workflow and save you countless hours. Whether you're an entrepreneur, teacher, student, or small business owner, this bundle has everything you need. Need to track attendance? We've got you covered. Manage your budget? No problem. From detailed analysis sheets to vibrant charts and graphs, every template is crafted for maximum efficiency and ease of use. Stay on top of your game with fully editable calendars and planners. Keep your finances in check with comprehensive budget and profit and loss templates. And that's just the beginning. Invoices, project management tools, health logs, and personal planners. The Ultimate Worksheet Bundle has it all. Each template is designed with a professional touch, ensuring you get top-notch quality every time. Why settle for less when you can have it all? Transform the way you work, plan, and achieve your goals with the Ultimate Worksheet Bundle. Download today and experience the difference. Your journey to unparalleled productivity starts now.